Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to add a secondary navigation menu in Squarespace. Secondary navigation is helpful for organizing your site when you have lots of pages. So let's get started. The first step is to open the page menu. Now log into your Squarespace account and from your site's dashboard go to Pages section. Before you do that, type in Squarespace in your navigator and open the website. After the website appears, enter using your account's credentials and select from the drop-down menu, Account Dashboard. Now you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Go to your website here, select the website you want to edit. Right here, for it, and select Pages. Go to the Pages section. Here you'll see your main navigation along with other sections. The second step is to create the secondary navigation section. Scroll down in Pages menu until you see a section called Not Linked. Pages added here won't appear in the main navigation. Right here. Drag any pages you want to add to the secondary navigation into this Not Linked area. These can be additional resources, FAQs, or less important pages. You can drag this one here, you can drag this one here, just like this. Select the page and drag it. Now for the third step is use the footer or sidebar to display secondary navigation. Squarespace lets you display a secondary navigation menu in the footer or sidebar, depending on your template. Go to Design, then Site Styles, and adjust the settings to ensure these not linked pages appear in your preferred location. And there you have it. Now you have a secondary navigation menu, making your site easier to navigate. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave them below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.